Hey everyone, I am Blue Coaster and welcome to the CNB Tutorials channel. Today I am going to show you how to parse integers from strings. In this case, we'll use the console to input numbers and convert those numbers into integers. For this show, I am going to make a mini calculator that will just add two numbers together and have a result. So first of all, we're going to have to declare two integers. One is going to be value 1. That is going to be something in the future. And one other is going to be value 2. And the result, so we're going to declare a result integer that will result something, but we don't know yet. So first of all, we're going to tell the user what to type in the first line. So we're going to say to the user, what is the first number? And then we're going to create a scanner. Don't know what a scanner is? Go check out my second video about inputting text inside the console. So for that, we're going to call this scanner. And we're going to instantiate it and get system.in. Then we need to get the input of the user inside the console. For that, we're going to declare a string v1 equals scanner.nextLine, which will get the text that the user has put inside the console. And then that's where the fun begins, because we need to convert that string inside into an integer. For that, we're going to take that value 1 and assign a value called integer dot parse int and put inside of the parameter this string right here, which is the number that the user has put inside the console. Then we're going to repeat the same process, but for the second number. So essentially, I am just going to copy this, and instead I'm going to tell the user what is the second number. Then we don't need to put that in, because we're only going to replace this instance to this new instance and call this string v2 and then get the new line that the user is going to input inside the console. Then we're going to assign this new number inside value 2 right here using parse int, and then change this string to v2. Then we have all the numbers that we need to add together. So the next thing we're going to do is say result equals value 1 plus value 2. And this should add value 1, value 2, put that operation inside result. And the last thing we're going to do is say system.out.println, and we're going to say the result is, and then we're going to do what is called a concat. A concat is you add two elements together. So we're going to do a plus, but what you can do also is concat. But I would rather use the plus that concatenates two elements together. In this case, the result is colon result. And this should put the number after this string right here and should print all of that. If done correctly, we should be able to add two numbers depending on the user input. So let's run this. Now console says to me, what is the first number? I am going to put 10. And then it stored that value inside value 1 right here. And then we're going to input the second number that the console wants us to have. In this case, I'm going to put 15. And then it put that 15 inside value 2, and what it did is that it added value 1 to value 2, which put inside result, and what it did is outputting this result inside the console, which is this line right here. 10 plus 15 is exactly 25. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.